Fronius Virtual Welding – Education for the Future. The touchscreen and clearly structured menu navigation make virtual welding extremely easy to operate. The virtual instructor, the Ghost, gives feedback in real time. Every deviation from the Ghost's instructions is pointed out by visible and audible signals so that he can respond immediately. A pedagogically sophisticated point system means comparable training results, and in turn, the trainees can be assessed fairly and transparently. Fronius Virtual Welding is available in two versions, as a terminal and in a compact carry case for mobile use. The system offers a choice of workpieces, so that different types of weld and welding position can be practiced. Virtual welding leads to material and resource savings of up to 25%. Fronius Virtual Welding means realistic learning on a simulator, zero safety risk, and material savings of up to 25%.